Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 4. Making a withdrawal.
How are you doing today?
Great. Thank you.
What can I do for you?
I need to withdraw some money.
How much would you like to take out?
I need to withdraw $300.
Which account would you like to take the money from?
I want to take it from my checking account.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Can I do anything else for you?
No. That'll be all.
How are you?
I'm fabulous.
What can I help you with?
I need to make a withdrawal.
How much are you withdrawing today?
I need $300.
What account would you like to take this money from?
Take it from my checking account.
Here is your $300.
Thank you so much.
Will you be needing anything else?
That's it for today.
How's it going?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
What did you need?
I would like to make a withdrawal.
How much money would you like to withdraw?
I want to take out $300.
Which account are you making this withdrawal from?
I want it taken from my checking account.
All right, here is your $300.
Thanks a lot.
Is there anything else that I can do for you today?
No. That's everything. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.